Hey there friends, I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're gonna learn how to draw a Minecraft creeper. Okay, so before we get started on this Minecraft creeper, ooh, that's a tricky phrase to say, Minecraft creeper. Say that 3 times fast. Okay, so before we get started on this Minecraft creeper, let's make sure that we have the colors that we need to start and complete this drawing. So in my Minecraft palette, I have a black, I have a light gray, maybe like even a super light green if you have that. And then we need 3 shades of green. We need our medium green, and then we need a dark green and a light green. Maybe even a neon green if you have it. And so those are the 5 colors that we need to get this going. So we're gonna draw this creeper straight on. So we'll be looking at him as if he was right in front of us, staring us in the eyes. So let's start with a big square at the top of our paper. And then coming in slightly on each edge and finishing right there, we're gonna draw a long rectangle right there. And then across the bottom, let's just draw a line straight across. And then let's split that line right in half. Okay, and that's gonna be his feet. And so I need to draw a line cutting these boxes in half one more time, just like that. We're gonna draw his toes. So over to one side here, maybe starting in the middle, that probably is best. Let's draw a line up, over, and then down, okay? And then right in between this, splitting in the middle here, we'll go up, and then over to the side. Okay, now let's do that one more time. Let's go up, over, down, and then up and over. And we're gonna color in alternating blacks. So let's start in the left corner. We're gonna go up, diagonal, and we're gonna go down diagonal, and we're gonna go up diagonal. Okay, let's do the same thing on these over here. Down diagonal, up diagonal, down diagonal, up diagonal. There we go. And now we have our Minecraft creeper toes. Okay, now we need to do his face. So let's start off with a square here. That's going to be his eyes. That's going to be his eye. And then we're going to come down just like that. Okay, now I want to do the same thing. I'm going to skip a space and do the same thing here on the right side. Okay, do it. Looks like a little box with the tail on it. Okay, and then we're going to connect the two right here, and then we're going to go from the each bottom of the tail. We're going to go out just a little. We're going to half the width of this box here. Okay, and then we're going to come down almost to the bottom of our box on both sides. Okay, and we're going to come in the same amount that we went up here. We're going to come in just a little bit, and we're going to go up just a little bit. And then back on this one, we're going to go over just a little bit, and then up just a little bit. And we're going to connect this up. Okay, and then we're going to color this whole thing in right here. Okay, so color all of this black. So we're going to get the eyes first, and we're going to get this here. There we go. There we have our creeper. Ooh, I hate to turn around and see one of those guys when I'm not paying attention. You just hear that sizzle. You know what's coming. Okay, so I have my creeper head, I have my creeper body, and I have my silly little creeper toes. Now it's time to color this fella in. So what I want to do is I want to start with some of these other colors. Not my main creeper green. I want to save that one for last. But I want to use my light gray. I want to use that lime kind of bright acid green, neon green, and then I'm gonna use that darker green. So grab one of them if you want. Grab this bright green first, and let's just go ahead and start putting shapes on our creeper. Okay, so we can put a rectangle there. We can put a square down here. And then maybe up here, we can draw a rectangle from the side. And then maybe one from down here. We can put one above his feet. Maybe one one up at his neck. Okay? Maybe one more. Stick it in like this, square from the side. Doesn't matter where you want it. Doesn't matter where you're going to put it. They're just going to be completely random. So let's grab our really, really dark green here, and let's just keep doing the same thing. So I'm going to maybe put a rectangle here in the middle. Maybe do a rectangle on the side here. Maybe a square here. Maybe put a square right here. Rectangle in here. Maybe a square here. Okay, that could work. Okay, and now let's grab that lightest green. If it's a gray, if that works too. And then we'll do it one more time with this color. Okay, square there. Let's put a rectangle maybe right here. Let's put a square right there. And maybe one more square. Okay, now the last thing we need to do is grab that main creeper green and let's just fill in everything else. So I'm gonna start at the toes, color in here. And if you need to pause, you can, and come back. We can finish this up together. That'd be perfectly fine. I'll be here waiting for you when you get back. But I'm just gonna kind of go around the border, trace all the colors that I have on here already. That way I get some nice, really clean lines. I'm interested to know what you guys are using to color with. You know, I use a tablet, obviously. But I'm really interested to know what medium you use. What do you use to draw your DoodleToots projects? Are you using just paper? Maybe you went over to the printer after you asked your mom and dad and you are using some printer paper, or maybe you have a pad of drawing paper. That would be really cool. That way you could keep all your projects together. Maybe you are drawing on just some notebook paper. Maybe you have an extra notebook that's got some room in it and you're using it to color in. That would be cool too. Whatever you're using to color on, I'm interested in that. If you're using crayons or markers or paint sticks, watercolors, pens, I'm interested to know what you guys are using to finish your projects. That's really interesting to me. And also I wanted to say thank you for drawing along with me today. This one is a little bit more time consuming on the coloring, just because there's so many detail squares. But thank you for sticking it out with me and having fun drawing this Minecraft project today. I know my son is going to be super excited to draw along with me on this project later. Okay, well, we almost got the face. We're almost done here. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this next little bit as I finish up, and I will see you in just a second. Okay, we did it. We managed to draw this Minecraft creeper and hang out with him for the last several minutes, and he has not exploded once. Ooh, we are lucky guys. Thank you guys so much for drawing along with me today. I can't wait to see you next time. Goodbye. Whoa, make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to DoodleToots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.